Oh, I'm pretty tired right now, and I'm staring up at one. Yes, I know. It's almost past my bedtime. I'm probably not gonna sleep because I just can't. And I get distracted so much. And, oh, see you guys there.